In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer or send money from Cash App to PayPal. If you're new around here, please scroll down and consider hitting that subscribe button. And once you've done that, don't forget to also drop a like. Let's dive straight into the guide. Before we get started with the steps, I just want to quickly mention that this method will work across pretty much all types of devices. Whether you're on iOS, Android, or something else, it should be fine. So first up, go ahead and open Cash App just like I'm doing here. Make sure you have some available balance. As you can see, I currently don't, but you'll need to have funds in your account. Otherwise, you won't be able to move money from Cash App to PayPal. Next, ensure you've linked a bank account to your Cash App. To do that, simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, scroll down and select Linked Banks. I already have a bank connected, so it shows up here, but if you don't, you'll see an option to add one. Just tap Add Bank. Once that's done, exit the settings and tap on the bank icon located on the left-hand side of the navigation bar. Now, you'll want to cash out your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. Tap on Cash Out, choose how much you want to transfer, and proceed. This is how the transfer will work. First, you move your money from Cash App into your bank, and then from your bank into PayPal. If you're not a fan of using this method, don't worry. I'll share an alternative at the end of the video, so stay tuned. After you've sent the money to your bank, you can check if it's arrived using your banking app. Once confirmed, head over to your PayPal account. Tap on your balance at the top and let it load. Then select Add Money. Here, you'll enter the same amount you withdrew from Cash App. So if it was $10 or $10, type in that exact figure. Next, choose the bank account you want to pull the money from. Make sure it's the same account where you just transferred your funds from Cash App. Once that's selected, tap on Add Money, and it will be added to your PayPal account. There are also other ways to fund your PayPal using your bank, such as making a direct payment, so feel free to explore those options too. Now, if you'd rather not involve your bank at all, another way is to reach out to someone you trust who has both PayPal and Cash App. You can ask them if they'd be willing to receive a Cash App payment from you and then send that same amount to you via PayPal. To do that, simply ask them for their cash tag. Send them the amount you want, let's say 10, by hitting Pay, entering their cash tag, and confirming the payment. Once they receive it, they can send you that same amount to your PayPal. This method avoids using a bank, but only do this with someone you really trust, like a close friend or family member, because there's always the risk they might not send the money back. And that's it, guys. 2 different ways to move money from your Cash App to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and leave a like. Peace.